Hello, this is my kitchen, and welcome once again. This is Amanda, Adult Services Librarian, and I just wanted to share with you today a little project that I did the first few days after we all ended up staying home. I discovered pretty quickly that I was getting a little frustrated with my kitchen cabinets, and I was having a hard time reaching things, and the things that I needed just didn't simply be where they should be. And so I took it upon myself with a couple of tips from some titles of organizing books that I'll share with you in a minute. I basically took the kitchen apart and redid it. So what you see behind me is the new kitchen cupboard, and I took out everything that I just realized we were not using at all. And I put up front and down low, since I'm short, the bowls and the dishes and the cups that I find myself reaching for the most when I'm trying to cook here in what you see is a very small kitchen. So also, I'm going to spin around here for a second. I got kind of creative here too, and as you can see, I removed my cupboard doors and put dishes and plates and things, once again, that I'm using more often down at the bottom where I can reach them, and some other glasses and things up on top. I put away in that cupboard that everyone has over your refrigerator. That why in the world would anyone ever put a cupboard there? Those are wine glasses, crystal glasses, and things that you just don't use on an everyday basis. So also, what I'm hoping to do eventually is to actually find an attractive contact paper or wallpaper or something that I'm going to put on the back wall. So when you open the cupboards, you actually see the paper on the wall, because as you know, nobody really sees the paper that you put on the bottom. So anyway, the books that I was using, The Quick Guide to Home Organizing by Sandra Felton, Small Space Organizing I found very helpful, and that is by Catherine Beechin, and both of those can be found on Hoopla through the library catalog. And also the famous Marie Kondo, her books on organizing spark joy, and The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, both of which are available on Cloud Library for you to download. So those are the tips for today, and it's very helpful to get things organized, and that way you can move around your kitchen much more efficiently. Have a great day.